If you're considering ServiceNow for your help desk needs, here are 12 essential things you need to know before making your purchase. Stick around to the end because we'll compare it to other options and help you decide if it's truly the best fit for your business. The first thing to understand is that ServiceNow is a robust, enterprise level platform designed for large organizations. It's an all in one IT service management solution, offering a range of features like incident management, problem management, and change management. However, it might be overkill for smaller companies. If you're a growing business or a startup, you might find that ServiceNow's complex interface and high cost are more than you need. Next thing, ServiceNow is known for its strong integration capabilities. It can seamlessly integrate with a variety of other platforms and systems, making it a good choice if you already use a number of other enterprise tools. But on the flip side, setting up these integrations can be time-consuming and may require a technical team to handle the process. The third thing is its pricing structure. ServiceNow is not cheap. While it's built for large enterprises, smaller businesses may find it hard to justify the cost, especially when compared to competitors like Freshservice or Zoho Desk. Those platforms offer similar features at a fraction of the price, so if you're not operating on an enterprise scale, you might want to explore those options first. Next thing, let's talk about scalability. One of ServiceNow's key selling points is its scalability. Whether you're growing or dealing with a massive workforce, ServiceNow can scale with your needs. But remember, with great scalability comes complexity. If your business isn't ready to deal with that complexity, other tools like Zendesk or Freshdesk might be better suited to a more straightforward setup. The fifth thing is its user interface. While ServiceNow's interface is powerful, it's also a bit overwhelming at first. It's packed with features, but navigating through them can be tricky, especially for non-technical users. In comparison, platforms like Zendesk are more intuitive and user-friendly right out of the gate. The sixth thing is the knowledge base. ServiceNow offers a solid knowledge management system, which helps with self-service and reduces the workload on your help desk team. This feature is particularly useful in large enterprises. However, for smaller teams, this could feel excessive, and you might find that simpler knowledge base options on platforms like Freshdesk are sufficient. Next thing, ServiceNow offers a high degree of customization. This is a double-edged sword. While customization allows you to tailor the software to fit your exact needs, it also requires a technical skill set to set up and maintain. If your team lacks the technical expertise, this could become a burden. Tools like Zoho Desk offer great customization, but are easier to implement without extensive technical know-how. The eighth thing is the reporting and analytics capabilities. ServiceNow provides advanced reporting tools that help you track performance, SLA compliance, and customer satisfaction. This makes it a solid option for large organizations that rely heavily on data-driven decision-making. However, simpler platforms like Zendesk provide reports that may be easier to digest for smaller teams. Next thing, let's talk about automation. ServiceNow allows for powerful automation across workflows, which can greatly reduce manual tasks and improve efficiency. However, setting up these automations can be complex, and you might not be able to take full advantage of it without a dedicated team to manage it. Other platforms like Freshservice offer more streamlined automation options that are easier to configure. The 10th thing is its customer support. ServiceNow's support is generally solid, especially for enterprise customers, but smaller businesses may find that the response times are slower compared to competitors. Platforms like Freshdesk and Zendesk are known for their responsive customer service, which might be better if you're running a smaller operation. Next thing is mobile support. ServiceNow offers a mobile app that gives you access to most of the platform's features on the go, which is essential for businesses with remote teams. However, some users have reported that the mobile experience can be a bit clunky. Other help desk software like Zoho Desk tends to offer a smoother mobile experience. The 12th thing to note is the implementation process. ServiceNow is not something you can just pick up and start using quickly. The setup can take weeks or even months depending on your requirements, and there may be a need for external consultants to assist with the implementation. In comparison, tools like Freshdesk and Zoho Desk have faster implementation timelines, making them ideal if you need a quick solution. ServiceNow can be a good option if you're a large organization